Okay, what a day it was for the Indian market to start with. Um, the fall was expected, but not a crash like this. But anyways, it was a good crash. I was able to get involved in the trade once this low was broken, and I was able to capture till this end. And from here, I was able to capture the small rally as well. So I'm going to explain how I was able to predict till where the market was falling, and what we can look in the future as well, what you can expect tomorrow. So let's start with how I was able to predict over here. All right, so as soon as this crash happened, and after this 15 minutes, now the starting 15 minutes of the candle tells you a lot of details. Okay, so I was expecting the market to fall down, but you can see a few minor candles over here. So definitely I was expecting a pullback over there, right? But once that once this low was broken, this is where I was able to get involved in the trade. Now, I didn't get involved in the trade just like that in the 15 minutes. I went to the 1 minute chart, and somewhere over here it should be there. Yeah, you can see a double top over here. So this was my entry signal on this one. And if you see, if you take out the Fibonacci tool, that was like a 50% retracement. So you can see that, right, in between the 50 and 61.8. I was expecting the market to do a 618 retracement, but doesn't matter. We did get a double top, and that was my entry over there. Now, about the projection, like till where it was going to crash. Now, in the 15 minutes, if we go up till here, so if we go back to our basics on drawing how the ebbs and flows is, we have this market falling down like this, a pullback, a swing low, a pullback, a swing low, pullback, and then this, right? And now I'm taking only the major ones. So I wanted to know till where this fall will be, right? So in this case, what I did was I took out our Fibonacci extension tool and then did a projection from this swing high to this swing low and back to where I started. So you can see that we have 127. It barely touched it. Okay, so I was expecting the market to test over there, and if you look left, you can see that the market did test that previously. Okay, and also if you try the Fibonacci inversion technique, that is from this swing high to this previous swing low back to the swing high, you can get 1414 as well over here. So I was expecting the market to test this zone, and this zone is to the previous structure as well. So this is how I was able to tell that okay, there are chances that the market could come down till there. And I was a little worried when the market did show a loss of momentum over here as well. If you see the candles, you will know that at 127 you can see a very low momentum candle. So I was expecting that the market might reverse from here. So I was keep trailing my stop loss, and but eventually it just fell down over there. And once it reached my target, and when I saw this candle, I was in good amount of profit. So there I booked my profit. In fact, I lost a bit of a profit because this candle's movement was quite faster. So I booked out my profit over here, and once this candle formed, I was expecting the market to do a pullback. Now let's look at that one as well. So for the pullback, I was expecting the market to do till the 50% of 618. Now there is a reason for that as well, because I was expecting, yeah, around 618, you can say, because that is at this previous structure. Even though it is a huge wick, I'm not going to neglect this because if you have been my follower, you know that I always tell that wicks are important. Okay, so this means a lot to me. So I was expecting that since the market has fallen down like this, there are chances that the market could can do the pullback with the same speed. So I was expecting, but almost over here at this point of time, the market's time was up, so I had to close my position. I'm an intraday trader. So that was how the day closed for today. Now for tomorrow, yes, you can expect a little bit of pullback. I'm still expecting the market to go up to this level, but I'm expecting the market to do a crash even more further. Where is my, yeah, maybe from here or here it can go down further more. Now till where I'm expecting, let's go to 4-hour time frame. Yeah, 4-hour time frame looks good. Now since we had this low breaking, we have a very strong candle where this where the low was broken. So I'm expecting a major crash in the coming days. Okay, either a major crash or a slow crash, does not matter. The market might go down. Now till where the market can go down. Now if you look at this, how the market has moved, you can see that we have a pattern over here. So from here, X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion. Let's keep it over here. So even this D completion is at the structure. If you look left, it is right over the structure, right? So this could be the resting point. Down that is somewhere around 15,872, or even it can be around 16 even handle. I'm still expecting it can come to 15,890, 870 level. So this is what I'm looking at now. This was quite evident. If you look at the monthly candle, right? Look at this. We have a great shooting star. After that, a lower low, lower close candle. Now we cannot comment on this candle because this is this candle started today, so can't comment on this candle. But this one red candle was the signal for me to say that the market might do a major pullback. Now why a major pullback? Look at this. I mean, look at how the market has gone previously, right? How did it all increase? Like in a 45-degree angle. Every time it is going, it's going in a 45-degree angle whenever the market is rising. And after that, after the COVID, look at how the market has gone. Now there is some issue on this bull run. Okay, this is madness. So there are chances that market could do a good amount of pullback. In fact, I'm expecting the market to do a pullback till where I have drawn the arrow, simply because that is where the previous structure is. Now that could be a major pullback if it can do. Okay, and okay, for the fun's sake, let's pull up a Fibonacci as well. Yeah, let's take this whole bull run, and you can see that 618 is over there, right? And also we do have the 382 over here. 382 is a very strong level. You can see market was struggling to move up from there. So there are chances that market could do a pullback only till here and then shoot up. And that's a whole different story. Once the market reaches there, we'll do it. But for now, like I mentioned, I'm expecting the market to go up to this 1580s level, 800 level. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Fibonacci level 0.236, but for this, in this case, I'll make a change. Now, 0.236, not a great level to be in. There is no much structures, I guess. Let's see. Does it make, oh yeah, it is nearing to that 15,000 level. So let's see, the 400, let's see. Yeah, it is almost near to that level which I did predict. So let's draw that pattern one more time. X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion. Yeah, the pattern goes below it, but yeah, it's in and around that area. It's also, this is one good level which I'm looking at. So market could do a minor pullback and then fall from there again, and this is where I'm expecting the bottom to be. And after that, you can expect the market to do a good amount of relief. Whether the market will change its direction from there, then now that's a whole different story altogether. For that, probably you need the market to break this high or this high. Okay, uh, let the market do that. After that, I'll be able to tell whether it is the trend is changing or not. Until then, this downtrend is going to continue. That's my expectation, and till where it can go down to, this is the major support level for now. And after that, you can see, like I mentioned, 618 is over here. Now that's a huge level down. Most of them might laugh at what I'm saying about the 12,000 level. Probably most of them are already thinking that it is impossible. Trust me, in market there is nothing called impossible. Anything is possible in that. Okay, so if anything happens, like Omicron is there, for example, if something like that happens, major news, a crash can happen. So do your trading a bit carefully in the coming days. You'll never know what the market can do. So, yeah, trade safe.